If you're facing domestic unrest at house, husband-wife fight or brother-sisters fight or some disputes in properties or some kind of like irritations and fights at home, then Janmashtami is a beautiful time. You can do the remedies, you can actually work upon it and actually get out of these kind of dispute kind of things. Janmashtami perfectly works for it. So on Janmashtami, prepare mishri and makhan, that is butter, white butter, which Krishna ji loves. Take these two things, feed the Laddu Gopala with this thing and try to put like the massage or just put it embalm like all over Laddu Gopal. That's a child roop of Krishna ji with this thing. During this thing which you're doing, this has to be done at the birth time of Krishna ji at the midnight. And along with it, chant at least 8 times the mantra which I am giving it to you. And with this mantra, you will see domestic peace will return, harmony will return, and it will like something like you will like even be surprised how fast things will become totally casual and calm again.